Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.